cost reductions since we've adopted K2 as our e-source provider has been on the order of about 14 to 16% year on year.
I had a number in mind of what we'd like to save annually from our 4 commodity categories. So far in one commodity category, we've well exceeded that number that I had for all 4.
But for us, the learnings that we gained with the processes and the new ways of doing things, I would rank as high as the bottom line savings. Regalware is a manufacturer and marketer of direct sales cookware. We service OEM accounts as well as our own branded accounts in the direct sales area. Very high-end cookware.
Lozier Corporation is a leading manufacturer of retail store fixtures. We're headquartered here in Omaha, Nebraska. We began manufacturing in 1956, and we service pretty much every major segment of the retail industry.
Custom Equipment was founded in 1981. Since the early 2000s, the primary focus has been on the scissors lift business, both for commercial, industrial, and also the funeral business, and their focus is on low-level access, which means like 19 feet and below.
We had a fairly large scope project, supply-based consolidation project that we knew was going to require a great deal of resources and time, and unfortunately we weren't able to dedicate that resource time to the project.
So not having the most experience in this industry, we brought in K2 Sourcing to take a look at our supply, couple of our key commodity categories, and look at our supply chain and see if we had the best opportunities with our supply partners.
Yeah, I feel that K2 brought more than just a software package to us. Their experience as buyers and having worked in the procurement field, I think they understood the challenges of a manufacturing company and were able to help us understand ways that we could use a platform they were delivering and not just give us something that we plugged in and had to learn how to adapt.
A streamlined automated process that K2 Sourcing was able to bring was extremely important to us, and we were not real familiar with that at the time.
They've got worldwide representation in things like batteries and electric motors that we may have been more with local or domestic supply chain, but maybe this is a case where, based on our growing volume, we needed more of a worldwide supply chain. I'd say absolutely, especially if you're a small company, you've got aspirations to get bigger, but you don't have the resources or potential expertise. Bring K2 Sourcing in for strategic vendor management, strategic supply side. They bring the expertise, they bring the vendor knowledge base, and it's a rigorous process that can help you improve not only your operation, but also the operations within your vendors.
You know, they've perfected their processes to the point of being very streamlined and automated. And I would say, trust the process, listen to what they're going to say, and believe what they're going to say.
We appreciate the work that we've done with K2 Sourcing. We appreciate the relationship, and we look forward to a lot more years of saving money together.